Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. Today I am going to show you how to enable clipboard history in Windows. This feature allows you to access multiple items you have copied, making it easier to paste text, images and other content from your clipboard history. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. Alright, first click on the Start menu and select Settings, and after then go to System. Now, scroll down and click on Clipboard in the left sidebar. Toggle the switch under Clipboard History on. Now, to access your clipboard history, simply press Windows key plus V. Here, you will see a window will pop up showing all the items you have copied recently. So I'm gonna copy the name of this. And I'm also gonna copy this. And now if I press Windows key plus V button, here you will see all of the copied items. You can click on any item to paste it or pin items to keep them saved even after restarting your computer. And that's it. Enabling clipboard history can improve your workflow by letting you easily access and manage your copied content. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TechFox for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.